Good morning, Vietnam. Hey Sue, how are you? Good morning, good afternoon. Let's get it. Cedu's looking good. JL's looking good. Femi looking alright. VLCN. LAES is up. I did take profit on LAES too. I'm gonna try to get back in a little bit lower. I want to see you retest this support at 198. WLDS, no. LGMK, TBLT, LASE, Laser Photonics Corp. This one had a spike up this morning. Profit is good, exactly. Let's go. We're looking for, continuation is all not too bad. Just looking for GRTX to come back up potentially. Silver is coming back up. S&P. Oh, the S&P just popped up massively. That's interesting. Excuse me. See, Bitcoin is hovering just below 63. Gold spiked. Gold spiking's no surprise though. I do like LASE's look. What can I do for you, fool? What's up, Pyro? Good morning, man. Getting at it in the gym, I see this morning. The grind continues, baby. There's not that much movement. I mean, JL isn't JL's. Almost 90% sure JL is a Chinese play. We have a couple of these tickers look like they've kind of come back down and they're ready for a pop back up. So we'll see how that goes. EMVB, on the other hand, has risen nicely, up more than 150%, and is now coming back down. Bouncing a little bit here. Yes, sir. Early start today coming out. Yep. The better attitude than yesterday. I agree, Pyro. I'm feeling it today. I'm feeling it. Yesterday wasn't too hot, but we're back at it today. It was a bit of a weird day yesterday. Not that today isn't also a bit of a weird day, but it's a better weird day. That's what it is. Yep, rise and shine. The whole Coinbase thing threw me for a loop. Yeah, Pyro, I was doing some research into it. It wasn't quite clear to me what happened, but I don't know, like if you're a crypto holder, that should be a worry for you. Yeah, is it that's a good question, Sue. Is it back? I know some people still weren't able to access it. That's good to hear, Pyro. That's good to hear. Zen, what's up, bro? Yes, it's back. Yes, sir. We are back on the consistency with the live stream. Could have been overwhelming volume on the system. Yep, I would agree with that. But we do see a reaction in gold and silver today, so maybe the reaction of gold and silver is in response to Coinbase's issues. Well, interestingly enough, now to take this with a grain of salt, there was a report that someone in Congress sold out of their crypto yesterday. Steve, what's up, Steve? How you doing, bro? Good morning, man. I know you've been up already. Seen you scrolling about. Steve just collecting nuts. Pause. Steve, what's going on? GRTX here, man. Actually, he's just come back down to 24 cents. Needs to retest this level anyways. VLCN is still pushing back up here. VLCN actually looks really good. But let's be real, Zen. Is any of that ever going to happen? Probably not. Steve is going to have a good day today. Yeah, I. You had a yesterday. You were talking about some good run ups. Yeah, VLCN. Oh, I haven't looked at AMC yet. Try to get that out of my mind. Whoa, AMC is having a weird day. 462, but spiked up to 486, but also dropped down to 425. Interesting. Interesting. Hey, Pyro, did anybody get into Sea-Doo? I saw Solcero and you, Pyro, that were talking about it. Sun is back up. That means no mofo way. That was 2024 Robinhood for crypto. Well, I'm actually. Yeah, Robinhood's popping up here. Nice little dip yesterday. Looks Robinhood looks like it wants to continue going up here. A bit of a topping yesterday. See where JTAI hits. Has low volume. All my plays. RVSN spiking up here. RVSN popped up here while we were on the live. COEP, let's take a look. Slow and steady wins the race, baby. Looks like AI is going for another rally here. If AI is going for another rally. Do want to see GATAI's response. Day trades. I should have. Wow. Well, it's not on tickers. I should have moved my cash over to my cash accounts. Good luck to all today. I think we're gonna have a good day today. VLCN slowing down. Let's put Sea-Doo back up. Man, my leg, my right leg. EMVB, bit of a bounce. Bounce it up, bounce it up. Hold up, I'm gonna go grab my coffee. Check out PSNY. All right. Oh, wow. Okay. Slow but steady volume. Ooh. It is the day. It is on. Today is earnings. It's the only thing that I'm kind of sad about. But I also don't have any day trades, so it looks good though. I like. I might need a little bit of a selling. It's kind of setting up for a selling candle here, but hey, if you're in PSNY or you got in or you're looking to get in, good luck to those people. I'd definitely keep an eye on it. It looks good. It looks good. There we go. Cup of coffee. Make cup of coffee. It's more of a swing. They started making their SUV. Well, that's good to hear. How's Holo doing, by the way? Let's take a look at Holo. Holo's still at $10, but HTOO. QMCO. I didn't even notice QMCO fell down to in the low or high 40s. Fubo. Ah, Fubo, you son of a Fubo. There we go. New high on PSNY 225. You son of a Fubo. VLCN is slowly working its way up. Not a bad setup. ENVB also spiking up a little bit. Let's update the... we got ACMR. Why are there 200 tickers on this? No. One sec. There we go. CDU is stuck at around 7. NRBO with a very weak bounce. Oh boy. Is LAES going to get out of hand here? Potentially. Next time I'll wait a little bit longer. Alright, I'm just getting, I thought I already put in a, there we go, I'm out of everything. We're now back in cash. GXAI moving. This one definitely does look like it wants to bounce a little bit here. Not a bad, it's a bit of a weird setup actually. Not a terrible one either. Bets is down 5%, 410. Did all the way go down to 350, then came back up to 430, then back down to 360, then back up to 420. 227 on PSNY. No. Next time we're sticking with it. Did anybody hear that? This is the first time I naturally used next time. I didn't think about the other three words. So you got to condition your mind, ladies and gentlemen. You got to condition it. It might take some time, but eventually it gets there. Eventually it gets there. It only took about 12 tries. The boy is learning. The young gun. All of a sudden getting a strong urge to listen to Eminem. 228 new highs. RGTI is also looking to come up. It did hit 219 yesterday. Currently trading at 211. Hit 213. Us geezers still say, I know it's in style, Steve. It's kind of like shorts above the knees. Some people, they were just born for it. All right, 6:20. So we are 10 minutes away from the market open. That time applies to other people, or applies to other people's time zones. So almost 9:30. DATS? How is DATS up? AUVI is up. Joel, good morning, man. How you doing? Doge and Shiba are up. I actually have not taken a look at Doge and Shiba today, but I think it's more consistency that you're looking after, right? Yeah. Oh wow, Doge is at 13 cents. My goodness. My goodness. Akon. Is that a sad man or I'm happy as can be, man, or man? Whoops, did not mean to get rid of VLC on there. I don't like this low volume on LAS, but to be fair, last time it spiked up, it was low volume, so. Oh, that's good to see. $2.15. There we go. LES is getting ready to make that move. It broke the 15,500. It's at the 30,500. Oh, this is getting ready. Sold a little too early. Well, 215 was the area I was looking at. I'm not sure if it. Ooh, PSNY is going to look at Bonk. Oh, that's that crypto, Joel, you've been talking about, right? Well, I imagine all Bitcoin just crossed 363. I imagine all cryptos are running today. It's already at LES is already at 216. All right, we're 5 minutes away from the open. Beckley Academy. Well, I have 5 minutes, so Beckley Academy. Is this a stock or is this a? Oh yeah. Okay. So now that you remember, there's anyone remember LSDI, Lucy Scientific? The fact that you said that, Pyro, reminds me of this ticker, LSDI. They did a reverse split 3 days ago. Ooh. I mean, they had no earnings, is it like a is it just a ticker or what? Like, is it just a? Oh wait, New Mexico signed. Hold up. What's the volume on this? Yummy Mushroom Company. Well, LSDI is a psychedelic company. It's Lucy Scientific. They study psychedelics. Their float is now 1.2, 1.3 million. They haven't really had that much interest. I'm curious to see. Hmm. Their volume is so low. Not that it won't spike up, but the last time I had a big volume day, it only. I mean, it went up about 100%. So LSDI can move. Question is, what is the bottom? When is the bottom? Right now, you don't really see much volume on it. In fact, you see no volume. There's like, in total, maybe like 300 shares traded here in the pre-market. All right. Well, we're 2.5 minutes away from the open. Might be worth picking up a couple of shares of this LSDI here, especially with a reverse split. If I do, I'll wait till market open. PSMY dropped. This is a weird pre-market setup. It kind of just dropped like the next candle just kind of plopped. We already have LAS. LAS taking a hit, 210. Sea-Doo is at 682. Wouldn't put this out of the question, though. All right, but hold up. So but is Beckley Academy? Psychedelic retreat. Okay. I'll keep it in mind, Pyro. I'll keep it in mind. No AMC, go up. Actually, I don't even know. Where's AMC at? Oh, whoa. All right, here we go. 20 seconds. That's that coffee noise, baby. That caffeine ASMR. That's what you guys all subscribe to the channel for, am I right? DJ, good morning, man. All right, boom, here we go. Market open. LAS 205. Yep, drop is 202. It's exactly what I was kind of worried about with LAS. That's why I took profit on it. All right, let's take a look. What else is running here? Sea-Doo is looking a bit of a spike up. VLCN coming down. JL popping up. LASE, Laser Photonics. Laser Photonics with good volume here. Opening candle traded its free float. Something to keep an eye on. Damn, let's take a look at this. Alright, well, Sea-Doo is looking to spike up here. Sea-Doo is probably... Yeah, if it's Sea-Doo manages to break out of this trend, which I think it is, it needs to break this, hold this 7. ATRA entered at 803. Alright. Oh, wait, let's look at LSDI on the... I'm like now super fixated on this ticker. Oh, baby. By the way, JL halted on the way down. Sea-Doo, there we go. Sea-Doo with the pop out and breakout, 745. ATRA looking pretty good. VLCN came down to 165, popping back up here. NXU also with a bit of a spike. NKGN not loading, is loading. There we go. Hey, congratulations, Steve. Nice little play right there. Yeah, I did see bets in the green here. Ooh, bets 492. Here we go again. Oops, I did it again. Come on, LAS. You're a little too predictable here. Come on. Are we dancing yet? Are we dancing? ATRA still looking good. I haven't taken a. I do want to be careful though. It's going to be trading in between 85 and 90. ATRA. Unless they just drop it, which I don't know. I think that would be a little extreme. Bets pop up and coming back down. EMVB also down. CGA, I don't know what it's really doing there. RVSN dropped the 321. Already at the 2 and 500. Ooh, okay. RVSN might come back up here. Cedu spiking up and then dropping with a knife. Acon looks good. What was the ticker we were looking at again? It was LSDI. We have a lot of one share purchases here on LSDI. Oh, ATRA looking good. PLTR back above 25. What was the news on ATRA? Ooh, ATRA could be a real. That's a really good play, Pyro. You might like. What's the volume? What's the volume? Still kind of low. Looking good, looking good. I'm already out at 93. Congratulations. Congratulations. All right. VLCN. Whoa, VLCN big spike up. 210. Beautiful push on VLCN. RVSN dropping. What was the other one? Acon. Is Acon still moving? 40 cents. Slowly but surely. Yeah, okay. So we rejected that area on LAS. I think we have to come back down one more time there. PSNY. Oh, what about OSHA? OSHA is up today. I know some people bought the dip there. PSNY moving back up. Bit of a weird drop right before the open. I don't know why my Weeble's having such a hard time updating. Fubo's still climbing. JTAI. What's up with this? Why do they purchase shares like that? Acon is still moving. CNXA spiking up today. I know, Steve, you were talking about that as well. SAI not really doing much. EMVB dropping. BLCN is at 2. 41.25. 41.30. By the way, HTOO. Low volume, but good candles. Power's up. We are chilling. Cedu. Okay, there we go. Cedu back in the 660s, high up 660s. Well, speaking mind medicine, X-Plug earnings tomorrow morning before market opens. Okay. OSHA 189. Big OSHA's looking good today. OSHA is looking good today. Yep, we see Plug. Plug's also moving up 10% here. Actually, pretty decent climb so far. We're still not past the first 15 minutes of the market. LPTV popping up here, low volume. OSHA 190. OSHA's moving. ONMD 1 MedNet. Oh crap. Okay, if it's on a run, are we playing A? I'm still holding my AMC, baby. Oh wow, AI with a massive pop. Well, what's silver up to? No, nothing special. Now keep an eye on those AI plays. Finger motion. Weren't we just at 270? We were. Finger motion's at 280. VLCN. Still, VLCN's ready to move. EMVB coming down. 192 on OSHA. There we go. 207. VLCN ready for that next move. ADIL is also pushing up here. 205. I have a small stake in AMC as well. Yeah, I'm not in heavy. Don't get it twisted. Anyone coming in listening, oh, he's an AMC. He's a long-term hold to the moon, 100 million per share. No, more like, how do you fall that like that? I refuse Steve to make all the money. Well, he was doing a pretty good job today, so by the way, IBRX is moving up. Immunity Bio Incorporated 488, 489. Pretty parabolic stance. 490. Make money, take money. Yes, sir. You're not going to get all the opportunity in the world to hit everything, but I say the ones you do hit. ATRA looking good. 91. This one still isn't done. ADIL, by the way, massive spike in volume here. We do see selling pressure. Damn, LSDI's volume is non-existent. But that's what tempts me to get into it. Like the volume is so low. Holo, we were asking about it this morning. There we go, 1080, 1095, looking to come back up. AI is really starting to move. All right. Oh, good thing I didn't. What was that other one? It was View is also up, by the way. Damn, we have a lot of green today. I mean, very few tickers are in the red on the watch list here. Most of it is all green. So today's definitely an opportunity to make that money. Sea-Doo looks ready to also continue its move upwards. VLCM also is not done. 220. If you break 220 high, that's a pretty good signal. Guys, there's so many runners, it's hard for me to keep up, so I apologize if I'm not hitting all the tickers. I mean, most of it's just green. AMC. AMC, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing, man? Neo is also up today. Sea-Doo 684. Still consider this a long-term hold. What was the news, actually? Oh, Sea-Doo $7. Here we go. Dun, 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 dun. What else do we got? Anything else? Anything else? I'm watching a lot of SCTL. No, this is just a random VLCN we already have up here. Whoops, wrong platform. We have Sea-Doo up as well. RVSN spiked up but coming back down. NXU down. I'm curious. Not the worst idea. There we go. Sea-Doo 720. POWW. Prisoner of World War. Sorry, I shouldn't say that. 753 on Sea-Doo, spiking up 760, 763. $765, 773, or 775 was the high. Stopped out of Acon at 40 cents, 32%. Congratulations, Steve. Man, Steve is bang, bang, bang. Pretty sure that's what the sound of a drum is like. QSG is on the rise. EOSE. This one has been a very good bouncing play. Holo 1095 came back down. AMC still struggling with that 470 level. By the way, Coinbase is up 2% today. I'm not sure if anyone played Coinbase. VLCN with a knife down to 175. 80% profit. Love to hear it. Steve just breaking in dollar bills. EMVB looking like it wants to come back up here. Mark. Nope. Any surprise runners here? Not that I can really see. Sea-Doo hit 780 back down. OSHA. ICU is popping up. Ooh, ICU looks good. We know ICU's been a good runner in the past. Actually, let's take a look at its chart. ICU's back down below. Alright. Then we're gonna put up the we'll put it up. UCAR, okay. Well, we've had a couple of people mention it now, so we're gonna throw it up. Sun continues its run. Oh. LQR is up today. Yep, Sun looking ready. Leave Holo up here still. Sen's earnings today. Alright, let's take a look. Oh, wow, it hit 73. I didn't even realize that. I climbed up to 70. Sun is looking to break $7 here. Yeah, I know, Pyro. I'm it's not even analysis by paralysis. It's the opposite. Uh the, it's running and gunning. I don't know how else to say it. I don't know. You know what I mean. I don't have a day trade, so I can't hop in on the fun, but I'm trying to find a ticker that I think will have a setup, but I think most of that setup probably will occur later. Swin for a win. Oh, I was looking at Swin yesterday. Yeah. Sea-Doo coming down. OSHA coming down. You're probably gonna start seeing some selling here. Yep, I'm not gonna go shopping today. So much is up today that I'm actually like EMVB popped up 220, but I don't really see unless something really drops that I like. I don't really see anything that's worthy of getting into as of right now. Like if you're in these plays that are popping up today, then congratulations. Like your boy Steve, for example. But otherwise not. ICU is also running 76 now. All right. I'm back. Sorry, I had to check on something. EMVP getting dropped instantly. How can we have this much volume? All right, Plug. How's Plug doing? Plug is now up 12%. Lily's Grandma. I'm not sure if you're in, but do be careful. If it's an earnings play, it's an earnings play. QMCO looking good. QMCO might be a ticker I might be considered buying. By the way, AI is now at 37. Let me take a look. It's in this range. It's holding nicely. What's its volume? Shadow Realm for fun. Go under 5 and it might be a good buy. Keyword is might. No, Pyro, I like QMCO still. I'm just... Let me look, because it had earnings today. Or it has earnings today. The only thing that I actually, you know what? I'm just gonna... I've had my experience with quantum plays. Just let it ride. VLCN's coming down even further. CETO looks like it might come back for another pop-up. And that's what I was worried about. JTAI. What is this sporadic movement? Alright, let's ignore that for now. View is still climbing. CETO looks like it's... I mean, I've said that a couple of times now. ATRA now coming down. Yeah, people taking profits. Could be a good buying opportunity. Some plays are probably just done for the day already. View with a big pop-up, 183 here. We're looking at this like 150, 160. Alright, Sea-Doo. We're just going to leave up some of the big runners today. RVSN. We'll leave up RVSN. Alright, anything else that runs, we can figure it out. GDRX is running. Acon coming back up. INDP. INDP looks good. Volume is low. Oops. Oh wait, let me check. Buru, new Buru. Oh wow, this actually had a bit of a spike the other day. Alright, now I'm actually done. Oh, guys, look at HKD up 5% today. Volume is pretty consistent. It's low volume, but it's consistent. $398. Man, all this green is hurting my eyes. Jesus. ATNF did a reverse split. $4 on HKD. That's down to 375. AMC 440. 402. Hey, Bart, what's up? Good morning, man. Public froze up on me this morning and I lost money. Damn. Yeah, no, that's. Well, why don't you use Webull? Why public? That's just curiosity. 406. Wow, I can't believe it. HKD 407. HKD is popping up today. That's unbelievable. Oh, okay. So you use multiple accounts. Yeah, multiple day trades. Bob back in. $409 on HKD. Has good momentum. COP hit 67.90. Drop back down. VLCN sideways. HUBC is up today. I don't know why. Cybersecurity. Double bottom. pause. What's the volume today? What's the float? 7 mil. That's pretty low. Oh, what's AMC doing? 440. Yeah, potential bottoming. Kind of hit that pre-market low or after hours low from yesterday. Bonk up 56%. Congratulations, Joel. Yep, Bitcoin is rising. So is gold. Gold is still continuing to rise. Oh, watch out. Whoa, whoa. ICU still looking good. View coming back down all the way. ONMD, LPTV, NVAX. NVAX still. Did someone mention NVAX yesterday? Oh, NVAX had a big drop. Oh, I forget who said that, but NVAX rallied back up. is back down. Whoa, snow was down 20%. That was from after hours yesterday. I'm assuming they had earnings. To be fair, I don't think they've ever broke even. What's the SPY doing? SPY bounced up today, 508. We saw that this morning. Came back down to 506.80. Bounced back up in between that range. How's UCAR doing? UCAR popped up, came back down. Holo below $10. CXAI still looking good here. 13 VWAP looking pretty decent. PSNY. Fubo. Oh man. Fubo, don't do it. Fubo. You son of a Fubo. LASE never came back up. BBAI trading sideways. Femi at 180. AI still looking good. VLCN looking ready for another pop up here. 193. OSHA 184. Good bounce, good recovery. ICU still the 75 area. Yeah, no, we're just chilling out here. I mean, most of the market is green today, which I don't know. By the way, I'm not sure if anyone saw my post on um, oil, but oil looks like it wants to. Actually, it looks like it probably wants to come back down. But if you look at the weekly kind of indicates it wants to go up. But it might need one more retest. Like one more retest is like 74 area. Oh yeah, today was PCE. The PCE report. Fed inflation measure rose 0.4% in January as expected, up 2.8% from a year ago. So inflation is coming back up. That's probably why you're seeing a big rally on stocks all of a sudden. VLCN back up into the $2 area. If inflation's going back up, that means that stocks are going to rally. It also means that probably let's see. Let me confirm that with Treasury yield. No, Treasury yields are doing the opposite. People are probably trying to want to lock in some of these yields. Guaranteed yields. Yeah, OSHA with a nice little whip up actually. NVAX finally crossing back above $5 here. GSAT, QSG, MVIS. There you go, 187 on OSHA. OSHA has the right setup for continuation to the upside. It just needs to maintain above the VWAP and 13 here. Volume is pretty decent. You could use a little bit more to kind of balance out that volume from this morning. If not, you're going to continue seeing that selling pressure, but we're just spiking up to 189 now. 192 is the high. But you do want a little bit more volume. Because some of that volume is turning into selling pressure, which we don't want. Man, there's so many tickers today, guys. It's unbelievable. ENVB is up to 251. CDU 740. Oh my god. Finally, it took a while, but some of these plays are starting to finally pop up the way that I think many people wanted them to. WMT. Let's take a look at Walmart. Oh yeah, baby. There we go. You're gonna get that. You're gonna get a nice little drop here on Walmart. I think I mentioned that if you go back to all splits from major tickers, generally you get a big drop off. You can see Walmart setting it up. We did get dropped on Sea-Doo. Sea-Doo's pop up was a little unconfirmed here. Big spike in volume. How's Nvidia doing? Nvidia looks like it might maybe wants to go back up to that 800 area. OSHA's still looking good. $190 on OSHA. There we go. 272 on EMVB. COEP. Yep. CDU is a little weak. EMVB and OSHA look pretty strong right now. AI back up. LSDI. CXAI, another spike up here. CXAI, EMVB, OSHA, Co-op, all very similar. Actually, sorry, OSHA, COEP, CXAI, similar setups. EMVB is the only one kind of detached, but has the most parabolic stance out of any of them. $298 COEP with a little bit of a drop here. There we go. 302 on CXAI. It's parabolic. EMVB is selling off. Volume is high. You have to be careful. Basically, market is forcing EMVB into a higher move. If it can't manage to do that, then you're gonna see a bit of a knife. 307 CXAI, nice pop up. View back up to 160. to EMVB 292. That's that move higher. CXAI 320. VLCN slowly climbing back up here. OSHA still holding on. OSHA with a knife. CXAI just chilling. I don't know what Seco is doing at the top of this list. It's really bothering me. Seco hasn't done a single thing. By the way, MARK is at 33 cents. I don't... Is this an OTC play? This is an OTC play. You're getting off this list. We don't play OTC on the trading account. Alright, well, you are getting topping patterns on the EMVB, CXAI, spike in volume, OSHA with a big drop, but volume doesn't necessarily support the move, but we'll see, because it's kind of coming back down to this 30 EMA. JTAI. How are you pinned like this? I mean, you're not really pinned. Okay, maybe from yesterday. Oh yeah, the VWAP looks crap. You filled that gap from a while ago. Anything else down here? Maybe. LSDI. You're gonna need a lot more volume than this. Yeah, AGFY sideways, but some big swings. Yeah, EMVB not looking too hot. Vanny's back up here. Vanny hit 480. Not particularly, not saving any bag holders from yesterday, but interesting enough. Yep, here we go. EMVB gonna see a quick drop. It was setting it up. It was setting up for the last like 15 minutes. No way. No way McRibs at 120. UCAR 7. AMC 340, 380. Holo bounced up, came back down. CNXA. Acon. Acom looked good. Cedu making another attempt here. OSHA coming right back up to 188. Yeah, low volume, both on the way down and on the way up. So I don't really know what OSHA's trying to do right now. Almost seems like OSHA seems like the last 15 minutes don't even really matter. Almost seems like market's trying to psychologically get people out. Oh, I just realized today is the leap day. That's probably why the market is behaving the way it is. Oh, I just realized that. All right. Well, VLCN popping up 238. Cedu again getting feisty. EMVB, yeah, it's kind of stuck in between the support and this mass resistance. I was like, why could the market be so green today? And it makes sense. VLCN, here we go. Cedu again. Okay, come on. Cedu manages to break 735 here. We're off to the races. When I say break, I mean maintain instead of just spiking up and getting sold off. Clearly, market knows that that's resistance. Oh boy. Something don't feel right. All right, CXAI 324 new high. Cedu managing the pop above that 735 area. LQR's up 10%, 307. $325, $327. CXAI really moving. Cedo is at 742. We've struggled 3 times here now. 4 times. 328, 329 on CXAI. NVAX looks like it also wants to go up. OSHA coming back down. 338 CXAI pushing up. Didn't you call, Steve? Didn't you call it? I believe you did call it. Cedu is we're gonna see a big spike here. 780 and try to break that. Did you get in? Good call out. Oh, okay. You took it yesterday. Okay. Oh, we just hit 344. Slow down candle. Cedu, there we go. 762. I know, Pyro, I know you were talking about Cedu this morning. I'm not sure if you were still in it or did get in it, but good call out. No, no, I'm. Hey, you've been hitting them left, right, and center. So 345 CXAI, 772 CDU. Um, what else? What else are we looking at? CDU's still looking to break. AMC's at 443. Seems like AMC has found a bottom. 778. All right, here's that 780 retest on CDU. If we break this, we're probably going to get ready to hit that $8 area. Retest that pre-market high. Yep, there we go. $8 on CDU. Sun coming down. ATRA is down. HTOO is down. IBRX. Swin 1250 hit 1299. 806, 810. All right, we're just underneath that, or we just hit that pre-market high. We're breaking it, and CDU could be off to the races here. 818. I feel like most people. I don't think CDU is gonna get selling pressure here. There's a reason that it's managed to kind of maintain this level. In fact, we haven't had this much volume since the split. Last time it hit 1885. We do have a gap at 818, which we actually probably a little bit lower than that. We have a gap at 851 and another gap up above at 1192, 1259 on CDU, with a previous high of 1885. If we take, $12 seems pretty. Probably not today. If it's today, it's today, but I'm just letting you know, because CDU is fundamentally pretty sound. I've been following it for a year or so. All right, CXAI knife, CDU drop. Once again, the market is saying we don't want it to run too hard. ADIL came back up. RVSN. PSNY has also slowly climbed back up to 212 here after dropping. AI is also making a breakout here. RMCO with a spike up. RMCO could see a rally here. Yeah, I don't think we're done with this sort of bullish day today. I think because there's no because it's a leap day or like a leap day year. VLCN is dropping. Yeah, okay. CXAI took a knife here. Okay, yeah, VLCN is actually dropping. Got support at 177. Seems to be headed there. OSHA coming back up. Ooh, okay, this is the best response I've seen from OSHA today so far, but it needs to maintain above the VWAP. RMCO looks like it wants to go higher, but yeah, okay. This candle good open so far. Needs a little bit more though. Well, 188. RMCO a little froggy, did spike up to 163. ENVB looks like it wants to make another run. VLCO 190. Bounce down to 186. 192. All right. Once again, we're retapping OSHA's high. I wonder if Bart, you still in OSHA? I know you rebought. There we go. EMVB with a launch. ADIL, no. RVSN, no. PSNY, no. ICU. $194. OSHA breaking highs. New high for the day. There we go. 198. $2 on OSHA. EMVB looking pretty good. VLCM back down to 186. Hit 184. That 170 still looks in play. RDHL did climb up. If I'm missing runners, I mean, I can't really. Tell you why or how. All right. 202 OSHA. EMVB 273. Looking for that 292 again. Yep, this should be. Should start to see the. What's the float on this? Wait, EMVB. EMVB is traded 5,000 times or 5,000% of the outstanding shares. That's pretty insane. We hit 285. Siege is still at 250. All right, nothing's moving much, guys, and it's around 8:30. I mean, yeah, there are runners and stuff like that, but how do you say? For the most part, most of the moves have been made. There's probably a couple of plays here or there that probably want to look like they want to pop up. Probably gonna get some random runners throughout the day with some volume. So I'm gonna end the stream here. It was nice to see you guys again today. Joel, Pyro, Steve, Sue, DJ, Lily's grandma. I will be in the Discord, but I do have to go do the chickens, so I'll be in there in a bit. So I'll catch you guys all tomorrow morning. Thank you guys for coming in. Likes, chats, views, everything. And yeah, until next time, peace.